Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of dealing with messy and unreliable food storage solutions? Introducing the NESCO VS22LB Premium Vacuum Sealer for Home, a game changer in the world of vacuum sealers. This powerhouse of a machine is lightning fast, with LED lights that guide you through the sealing process, and it's built to last with its premium and durable design. But what really sets it apart is its LIQUIDLOCK technology, which slows down liquid movement during sealing, making it a breeze to store soups, stews, and marinades without any mess or seal failure. You'll love the sound of the machine's 250-watt motor humming to life as it creates durable airtight seals that keep your food fresh for longer. With 7 custom sealing functions, you can easily switch between storing delicate foods, meats, and produce, and the removable drip tray makes cleanup a snap. This product has been well reviewed by many customers who swear by its effectiveness and ease of use. Whether you're a meal prep enthusiast or just looking to reduce food waste, the NESCO VS22LB is the perfect solution. Imagine being able to marinate your favorite meats to perfection with the gentle pulse function, or storing bulk groceries with confidence thanks to the wide double heat seal bar. The built-in roll storage and sliding bag cutter make it an all-in-one solution that's hard to beat. With the NESCO VS22LB, you'll be able to enjoy perfectly sealed meals every time, and the one-handed lid operation makes it easy to use even for beginners. So why settle for a basic vacuum sealer when you can have a premium one that makes food storage a breeze? Get your hands on the NESCO VS22LB today and experience the difference for yourself. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.